guys, my name is Gracia. My name is
I
Lovely.
found a
My name
love
is Rilya. Welcome back to
for
Lovelyandgracia.
me.
Jadi hari ini
Darling, just dive right in.
kan waktu itu kan udah dipakai.
Follow my lead.
Mari kita mulai.
I found a girl,
Itu dulu.
beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm
Oh ini.
dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you look
Ini udah kedua.
perfect.
Oh iya, ini udah ketiga guys. Ini aku baru kedua loh guys. Dia juga baru.
Well, I found a man
Dia tuh baru pulang dari rumah sakit. Bukan dia
stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday we'll share our home. I found love to carry more than just my secret.
Soalnya
To
ini
carry
udah.
love, to carry
Ini yang
children
ini
of
bukan
our
yang tadi yang tadi itu ini.
own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time, darling. Just hold my hand, be your girl, you'll be my man, and I see my future in your eyes. Well, baby,
Dan yang selanjutnya
dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass,
kita
while
berdua.
listening to our favorite song. When I